Welcome back all pizza enthusiasts to Dlecta's pizza making guide. And today we are going to deep dive into the world of classic Italian flavors by making the perfect Margherita pizza at home from scratch. Now there are two important things to make a classic Margherita pizza at home, which is simple ingredients and good quality mozzarella cheese. Before we start the recipe, you need the pizza dough and pizza sauce, which we have already shared how to make from scratch. Our pizza dough is ready and our pizza sauce is also ready. Now you must be wondering why I'm using this as a base to shape my pizza. Well, don't worry, in case you do not have this, you can use your regular oven tray as well. Before I start, I'm going to grease the surface with a little bit of olive oil. I'll grease it using my hand so that when I'm stretching the dough doesn't stick to my fingers. We will take a portioned out dough over here, and now it's time to start stretching. Gently keep stretching. We do not want the pizza dough to break apart. Well, that won't happen since our dough has passed the window pane test, but still be careful. Our dough is perfectly stretched out and you don't have to worry even if it isn't a perfect round, because that's the beauty of a perfect Margherita pizza. Now that our pizza dough is stretched, I'm going to use a fork and dock it. Now you must be wondering, why are we docking this? This is to ensure that the pizza is cooked perfectly and it doesn't fluff up or rise unevenly from places. Once docked, it's time to spread the pizza sauce. Did you know why this is called a Margherita pizza? Well, this was invented in the year 1889 to honor Queen Margherita of Italy. And also it represents the three colors of the Italian flag, which is white, red and green, which comes from basil, which we are going to add in the end. Now that the sauce is spread, it's time to add the perfect mozzarella cheese to this. You must be wondering कि मैं सब कुछ कर लेती हूँ पर घर पे वो रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल वाला पिज़्ज़ा क्यों नहीं बनता? क्योंकि आप प्रोसेस चीज़ यूज़ कर रहे हैं. For Margherita pizza, you need to get a good quality mozzarella cheese, which I'm going to use right now. जैसे सारे ingredients easily available है, उसी तरह Dlecta mozzarella भी easily online available है, या फिर you can find it at your nearest supermarket too. A beautiful mozzarella is here. It's time to cut it. Now I'm going to shred this apart and add it on the pizza, just like the Italians do. And in case you don't want to do this, you get pre-shredded mozzarella available in the market as well. Or you can grate this as well. It's time to finally bake this Margherita pizza. I'm baking this in a preheated oven at the highest oven temperature. And here it is, our perfectly baked Margherita pizza. But well, there's one finishing touch left, which is to add fresh basil on top of this. The reason that I'm adding basil right at the end is because if you add it while baking, the basil is going to turn black and we do not want that. If you prefer, you can add a little bit of chili flakes and oregano as well, but I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on this. Our delicious restaurant-style classic Italian Margherita pizza is ready. And in case if you're wondering how to make this pizza without an oven, well, don't worry, I've got a solution for you. Watch the next class to learn that, and stay tuned and keep watching Dlecta's pizza making guide.